Welcome to our deep dive into the Matter Protocol, the universal smart home standard that's set to revolutionize how we connect and control our smart homes. In this presentation, we'll explore what makes Matter different, why it matters for consumers and manufacturers, and how it's shaping the future of connected living. Get ready to understand why this isn't just another protocol, but potentially the last smart home standard we'll ever need. What is Matter? So what exactly is Matter? At its core, Matter is a unified IP-based connectivity protocol built from the ground up for reliability and security. It's developed by the Connectivity Standards Alliance, formerly known as the Zigbee Alliance, but with much broader industry backing. Matter isn't just another wireless protocol. It's an application layer that works over existing technologies like Wi-Fi, Thread, and Ethernet. Think of it as a universal language that all smart devices can speak, regardless of which brand makes them or which ecosystem you prefer. Founding members. The most remarkable thing about Matter is who's behind it. For the first time in tech history, fierce competitors like Apple, Google, Amazon, and Samsung are collaborating on a unified standard. The Connectivity Standards Alliance now includes over 550 companies, from tech giants to home goods manufacturers like IKEA and lighting specialists like Signify, who make Philips Hue. This unprecedented cooperation ensures that Matter isn't just another standard that might fade away. It has the industry backing to become the true universal language of smart homes. How Matter works. Let's look at how Matter actually works in practice. The magic happens through several key features. Multi-admin capability means a single Matter device can be controlled through multiple ecosystems simultaneously. Your smart light could be controlled through Alexa, Google Home, and Apple HomeKit all at once. Setup becomes incredibly simple with QR codes or NFC taps, no more complicated pairing processes. Matter leverages existing network technologies, using Wi-Fi for high-bandwidth devices and Thread for low-power battery-operated sensors. The comparison table shows just how dramatic the improvement is over traditional smart home approaches. Device categories. Matter launched with support for the most common smart home device types that cover about 85% of today's smart home use cases. Lighting controls, including bulbs, switches, and dimmers, smart locks for access control, HVAC controllers and thermostats, window coverings like smart blinds, media devices including TVs, and various sensors. The Matter 1.2 update expanded this to include robots, EV chargers, and refrigerators. The roadmap shows cameras, advanced security systems, and comprehensive energy management devices, essentially covering the entire smart home spectrum. Roadmap and future. The Matter roadmap shows a carefully planned evolution. The 2022 1.0 launch established the foundation. Matter 1.2 and 2023 significantly expanded device support. Looking ahead to 2024-2025, we'll see the ecosystem grow to include cameras, industrial applications, and more sophisticated energy management devices, essentially covering the entire smart home spectrum. The adoption rate is accelerating dramatically, with over 1,000 Matter-certified products expected by end of 2024. Perhaps most excitingly, Matter is expanding beyond residential into commercial and industrial applications, positioning itself to become the true global standard for IoT connectivity. Key takeaways. Let's recap the key takeaways. First and most importantly, Matter signals the end of ecosystem lock-in. You'll no longer need to worry about whether a device works with Alexa, Google, or Apple. If it has the Matter logo, it works with all of them. The user experience becomes dramatically simpler. Setup that used to take minutes now takes seconds. Your investments become future-proof, since Matter devices will work with platforms that haven't even been invented yet. And fundamentally, Matter transforms how the entire industry approaches smart home technology, shifting competition from compatibility to features and user experience. Closing statement. Matter represents the most significant shift in smart home technology since voice assistants first entered our homes. It's not just another protocol to learn, it's potentially the last major smart home standard we'll ever need. By creating a universal language that all devices can speak, Matter finally delivers on the original promise of smart homes: technology that works together seamlessly, simplifies our lives, and puts choice back in the hands of consumers. The smart home revolution is just beginning,
and Matter is the foundation it's being built on.